Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this butterfly wreath or butterfly wall art. I will admit this is an experiment for me. I've never made something like this, but I wanted to try out something different and out of my element. But I absolutely love how it turned out. I got the butterfly body from Etsy. I will post the link and a list of materials I used in the description. The first thing I did was attach the body to an 8-inch metal frame with 2 pipe cleaners that I cut in half. The butterfly body does have little holes on the side, so I'm just sticking the pipe cleaner through the holes to attach it to the frame. Now I'm using just a piece of this styrofoam circle and I'm going to glue that to the back of the butterfly. It may be better to use the green floral foam or something a little softer because you'll see later in the video I struggle a little bit sticking the stems into this foam. So now I'm going to start on one side of the butterfly with one of my bunches of pampas grass. I tried sticking a bunch in at a time, but the stems were just a little too weak. So I just had to stick them in one by one. I started with the bigger and sturdier pieces first, placing those around the frame. Some of the stems I had to cut because they were just so flimsy. And if you guys go with the same pampas grass as I'm using, this stuff has a really weird smell to me, like it's so strong. I don't know what it is. So just be prepared for that. You don't have to use the same stuff as I'm using. There's all kinds of different colors on Amazon or Walmart or any crafting store. And if I don't like the placement of some, I can just take them out and move them around because at this point I haven't glued anything down yet. Once I have everything in place, I'm going to start gluing. And I did go a little crazy with the glue and just glued everything everywhere. Once that dries, I'm going to flip it over and start on the next side the same exact way I did with the other side. I usually don't care about the back of a wreath, but since there is a lot going on in the back, I traced another 8-inch frame on a piece of felt, and I'm gluing this on the back side. And before I apply the glue to the top, I'm taking a half of a pipe cleaner and attaching it to the top so I'll have a way of hanging this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more crafting videos. Thank you so much for watching.